update on the seed starting, the coconut coir seed starting versus regular dirt. First I gotta make a notice on this. So apparently I really made a goof on this. So this 4-hour thing is based off the light timer. I don't know what I was thinking on this bit. So I don't know, but this thing might be going off like twice a day. I try to give it plenty of light from my window over here, but apparently it's not enough. It thinks it's dust, and it goes off for 6 hours. I haven't really noticed, but during the day. But we'll have to see. I might just have to turn it on and off manually, which is a little harder because I might not catch it. But hopefully it doesn't cause too much of trouble. Alright, down to here. As you can tell, I already have plants that are reaching the top of this container here, which is a bit of a surprise. This is only a week in. And that's a lot of growth. As you can tell back here in the mystery seed, which I thought was pepper, nothing going on there. It looks a little dry. Not sure why that's not wet back there, so I'll have to get that a little wet. But everything else is popping up. A little more than expected, because I don't recall that I put that many seeds in some of these. And then only one spot not in the core. Now over here in the other one, I do have some growth. And so those are doing okay. So we will see if this actually happens. And I don't expect much from the mystery seed if those are peppers, because peppers take forever to come out. Almost never for me indoors. I usually have to. The only success I had with peppers was actually direct sowing outside. I'm not sure if this is due to too much sun or too much light or too lack of light, that these are growing so quickly, leggy like that. I'm not sure what's going on with that, but keep an eye on it. I'm going to put the top back on it for a little bit while longer and see how things go. But if I have to remove the top because those are too long, I'm going to have to remove the top. Now down below, this little experiment's not going as well. Nothing has happened with these guys. Luckily I do have some cantaloupe seeds still left over, so I will probably direct sow some of those outside, but so far nothing going on. But as you can tell, these pots just absorb all the moisture and keep everything moist in there. So it looks like the back ones need some more. And that's the update for now for 1 weekend. Coir versus dirt. Thanks for joining.